are you? How are you? Today I am going to talk about these devices. It's a cleaning devices. Okay. Okay. All of these devices is for cleaning, deep cleaning. Okay. These two are practically the same thing. It's a vacuum. It's a suction. It's a black head, white head remover. What it does? It's a suction. It's gonna do a deep cleaning. It's gonna suck. And let me tell you, it gets nasty. It get all over here, the dirt and black heads and white heads and whatnot. This I got together with this, and this they came as a kit because I already had a suction. And then I have two. It comes with the heads. Let's see if this one's more powerful than this one, because with time it loses its power. This one, it's a spatula. Yeah. It's a shovel. It says shovel. Ultrasonic shovel. Yeah. And what it does, it's going to do a deep cleaning. It says here that it does lifting, moisturizing, and cleansing. So it says in the manual that it does a deep cleaning. It does like a peeling effect. So this is a little spray water that is like a vapor. So it's because you need like hot water. You need something, a vapor, to open up your pores. And then I have this that you do the cleaning. So this is a cleaning devices. This is supposed to do a deep cleaning, minimize your pores, take out the black heads, the white heads, and do a deep cleaning. So what I'm going to do a video on each, talking about its promises, how to use it, if it does what it says it does. Like this one, a lot of people are using it. It says it's a miracle worker. Does a peeling of fats, like it does a peeling of fats. It's so let's see if it's if it actually does work, and if it's gonna do something miracle in my face. So it's promising to do that. I mean, look what it says. It says lifting, moisturizing, and cleansing, and it says that it does in the manual it says that it does a peeling of fat, it does a deep cleaning, and it helps moisturize the skin because it does jets out. It does get hot, and it does an ultrasonic, because it says ultrasonic shovel. So let's see what it will actually do. This is just you put water here, and it comes out cool water or hot, because you need to use a vapor to open up your pores. This is a vacuum suction. It's like a vacuum suction. It's like so it's supposed to really clean your pores and take out the blackheads and whiteheads. So I'm gonna do a video on each and see if it actually keeps up with its promises, if it will do a deep cleaning, like a exfoliation, a peeling of fat, and what I will see a difference in my face. Okay, so to see all of this situation here, please, now this is a scrub that's you press on it, and so to see all the situation, please subscribe, like the video, and share, because good things we need to share, bad things throw it away, right? Okay, so please stick around, stay tuned for all this good stuff, because I have a lot of beauty devices to test out, and of course it takes time to give results, and I have a lot of serum, creams, and stuff that I'm going to test out for hair, for skin, for the body, I have beauty devices for the face, for the body. I have a fat burning device that says it burns fat and it smooth out satellite. So I will be testing all this out and see what actually works, because it's like you don't want to throw your money away. You don't want to go to the toilet and throw your money in the toilet and flush. So I'm gonna test it all out and tell you guys if it's worth or not buying. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and share.